Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about how to get international makeup in India. So I get a lot of questions whenever I share with you guys any international makeup haul, or if I use any makeup product which is not available in India and available internationally. So I get a lot of questions both on Instagram and my YouTube channel regarding how to know whether these products are genuine or not, whether any Instagram seller is selling genuine products or not, how to get all these products in India, whether there will be any custom charges or anything. Like, I get a lot of these kind of questions, so I thought I'll sit down and make a dedicated video on this topic only, like how to get international makeup in India, what all things you need to know, what all questions you need to ask if you are buying through some Instagram seller. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So there are two ways you can get international makeup in India. Either you can purchase directly from international websites, or you can purchase these products through some Instagram seller. So first let's talk about the website, like how you can directly purchase the products from international websites. So if you are buying these products directly from websites, you can either buy these products from website of that particular brand. So there are many brands who ship to India, like Colourpop ships to India, and Huda Beauty, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and there are other websites like Kylie Cosmetics. So there are many brands who directly ships to India. Juvia's Place also ships to India. Or you can purchase these products from other websites like Cult Beauty or Beauty Bay. Cult Beauty एंड ब्यूटी पे आपको काफ़ी सारे डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स के प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएंगे. तो अगर आप आपको एक ही ब्रांड से प्रोडक्ट परचेज नहीं करने, इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स, यू कैन परचेज दीज प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम कल्ट ब्यूटी और ब्यूटी बे. बोथ ऑफ these websites actually ship to India. So whenever you are buying anything from international websites, there are few things which comes into picture. Like, first thing is shipping. So there are few makeup brands who provide free shipping to India, but there will be this kind of condition that you need to purchase product till this much money. Like, for example, Colourpop, they provide free shipping to India if you are buying makeup products worth rupees $60. तो अगर आपका ऑर्डर टोटल $60 होगा तो उसके ऊपर आपको कोई भी शिपिंग चार्ज नहीं देना पड़ेगा. Like this, there are other brands as well, like Tarte Cosmetics. They also provide free shipping to India. I don't know the exact amount, कितने अमाउंट के ऊपर फ्री शिपिंग रहता है, बट दे ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड फ्री शिपिंग्स. एंड देर आर फ्यू ब्रांड्स जो आपको फ्री शिपिंग प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, तो यू विल हैव टू पे शिपिंग चार्जेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Juvia's Place, they don't provide free shipping, they charge some shipping charges to ship the products to India. एंड कल ब्यूटी पे इफ़ यू परचेज प्रोडक्ट्स वर्थ रुपीज़ 40 यूरोज़, उसके ऊपर आपको कोई शिपिंग चार्जेस नहीं देने पड़ेंगे. सो इफ़ योर ऑर्डर टोटल इज़ 40 यूरोज़, आपकी जो शिपिंग हो जाएगी इंडिया वो फ्री में हो जाएगी. आपको कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज पे नहीं करना पड़ेगा शिपिंग के लिए. एंड ब्यूटी वे पे आई थिंक देर आर सम शिपिंग चार्जेस इन्वॉल्व. अर्लियर दे यूज टू प्रोवाइड फ्री शिपिंग, बट नाउ दे चार्ज शिपिंग टू India. Whenever you are buying anything, you can check these things, like if any brand is providing free shipping to India, just try to make your order around that amount so that you can avail that free shipping to India. Now, second thing is, how do you make the payment? How do you make international transactions? So whenever you are buying something from international websites, you can either use your credit card or debit card. So maximum international websites accept Indian credit cards, and कुछ ऐसी websites भी हैं जो debit card भी accept करती हैं. So if you have credit card, you can make the payment directly from your credit card, similar to how you make payment in India. Like Indian website से जैसे भी आप payment करते हैं, similarly you can make the payment through your credit card on international websites as well. And if you want your transactions to be more secure, you can use PayPal. You can create an account on PayPal, and PayPal के थ्रू आप सारे transactions कर सकते हैं. तो आपके transactions थोड़ा ज़्यादा सिक्योर हो जाते हैं. देयर ऑल्सो यू विल पे थ्रू योर डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड, बट योर ट्रांजेक्शन्स विल बी मोर सिक्योर. So there is one major thing involved whenever you are buying something from international website, which is custom. So whenever you are buying something internationally, when it comes to India, you need to pay custom charges on that particular product because you are buying something from international website. So now जो custom charges रहते हैं वो fixed नहीं है, they are very variable. Generally आपको 40 to 50% कस्टम चार्जेस पे करने पड़ते हैं. सो सपोज योर प्रोडक्ट इज़ वर्थ ₹1000, सो आपको उस पर 40% और 50% लाइक 400 और 500 रुपीज़ आपको उस पर कस्टम चार्जेस पे करने पड़ेंगे. बट समटाइम्स इफ़ यू आर लकी यू डोंट नीड टू पे एनी कस्टम. आई शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस विथ यू रिगार्डिंग दिस. I ordered 2 times from Colourpop and they provide free shipping over $60. So मेरा जो ऑर्डर का अमाउंट था मैंने $60 रखा एंड दोनों ही ऑर्डर्स पे मुझे कोई कस्टम पे नहीं करना पड़ा. So sometimes if your order amount is not too high and the weight is not too much, sometimes हो सकता है कि आपको कोई भी कस्टम चार्ज पे नहीं करना पड़े और विदाउट एनी कस्टम यू विल गेट दैट प्रोडक्ट. तो कस्टम चार्जेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेरिएबल रहते हैं. सो यू विल हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड दैट whenever you are buying something from international websites, you might need to pay custom charges on that product. Now let me tell you some pros and cons when you are directly purchasing these products from international websites. So one major thing is, the major pro is you'll always get genuine products. So whenever you buy these international makeup products, you always have this thing in mind whether these products are genuine or not and if any seller is selling authentic products or not. So अगर आप directly किसी website से purchase करेंगे तो आपको वो doubt बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहेगा because obviously those products will be genuine, will be authentic. Second thing is, if you are directly buying these products, it might cost you less considering you don't need to pay any custom charges. तो आपको ultimately जो cost रहेगी उस product की वो काफ़ी कम हो जाएगी. And if you are buying these products ड्यूरिंग सम सेल्स तो आपको डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस पे वो प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगा. एंड इवन इफ़ यू पे कस्टम चार्जेस ऑन दोज प्रोडक्ट्स तो आपको अल्टीमेटली जो कॉस्ट पड़ेगी उस प्रोडक्ट की वो काफ़ी कम पड़ेगी बिकॉज यू आर बाइंग दैट प्रोडक्ट ड्यूरिंग सम सेल्स. इफ सपोज देयर इज सम 25% और 30% सेल इज गोइंग ऑन, यू कैन बाय द प्रोडक्ट्स एट दैट टाइम व्हेन देयर इज सम सेल. एंड इवन इफ यू पे सम कस्टम चार्जेस ऑन दैट प्रोडक्ट, अल्टीमेटली जो कॉस्ट रहेगी वो आपकी वो कम रहेगी व्हेन यू आर बाइंग दीज प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम सम इंस्टाग्राम सेलर. सो कंपैरेटिवली जो आपको कॉस्ट पड़ेगी उस प्रोडक्ट की वो स्टिल कम पड़ेगी. सो दीज आर द बेनिफिट्स व्हेन यू डायरेक्टली बाय दीज प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम वेबसाइट. बट देर आर सम कॉन्स एज वेल इन्वॉल्व लाइक कस्टम चार्जेस. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, कस्टम चार्जेस आर नॉट फिक्स. तो हो सकता है कई बार आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कस्टम चार्जेस पे करने पड़े एंड आपकी जो प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाए. तो देर इज़ दैट प्रॉब्लम. एंड अदर थिंग इज़ जो शिपिंग रहती है उसमें काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है. लाइक व्हेन यू बाय दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इट जनरली टेक्स 1 month और इट कैन टेक मोर देन 1 month एज वेल टू गेट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इन इंडिया. सो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर that much time and you might be worried like where is your product and all. Also there is a little bit of risk involved of losing that product. So sometimes whenever there is a international shipping involved you can lose your order. तो उस टाइम पे it will be very difficult. तो ये थोड़े बहुत कॉन भी हैं when you are directly buying the products on websites. तो आपको थोड़ा सा रिस्क रहता है. sometimes custom can be more and टाइम भी ज़्यादा लगता है. सो यू विल हैव टू थिंक अबाउट बोथ प्रोज एंड कॉन्स व्हेन यू आर डायरेक्टली बाइंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल वेबसाइट्स. नाउ इफ यू डोंट वांट टू टेक दोज रिस्क एंड यू डोंट वांट टू वरी अबाउट कस्टम चार्जेस एंड एवरीथिंग, यू कैन परचेज दीज प्रोडक्ट्स थ्रू Instagram sellers as well. So there are so many Instagram sellers nowadays who sell these international makeup. So let's talk about what all things you need to know and what all questions you need to ask whenever you're buying these products from some Instagram seller. So one thing is price. Now when you buy these products from Instagram seller, final cost जो हो जाती है वो product की वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो जाती है because you can't just multiply the cost of that product from dollar to rupees and you can't expect that Instagram seller to sell that makeup product to you in that price because that's not the only thing. So there are multiple factors involved here. So it involves the conversion charges. So dollar to rupees conversion charges काफ़ी डिपेंड करता है. It depends on your बैंक एज वेल. लाइक जिस बैंक का क्रेडिट कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं उस पर भी काफ़ी डिपेंड करता है कि कन्वर्जन चार्ज कितना लगेगा. It's not like what you see on Google. So whenever you type on Google you will get some amount like इतना कन्वर्जन चार्ज है, बट एग्जैक्टली उतना कन्वर्जन चार्ज नहीं लगता है, उससे ज़्यादा ही कन्वर्जन चार्ज लगता है. So that is one thing. And other thing is these guys need to pay shipping charges. Like they ship the products from US to India, so they need to pay a lot of अ लॉट ऑफ शिपिंग चार्जेस. सो फाइनल जो आपके प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट होगी उसमें वो शिपिंग चार्जेस भी इंक्लूड होंगे. एंड देन दे पे कस्टम सिंस दे बाय अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, लाइक वो एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा लॉट परचेज करते हैं, तो दे ऑलवेज नीड टू पे कस्टम चार्जेस ऑन दैट प्रोडक्ट. तो उस टाइम पे वो कस्टम चार्जेस भी आपके प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट में इंक्लूड होंगे. एंड देन they ship those products to you, and obviously they'll add their profit as well to the cost of the product. So this way जो final cost रहती है प्रोडक्ट की वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो जाती है. So you'll have to keep all these factors in mind whenever you buying anything from some Instagram seller. Now one major thing which comes in everyone's mind that any particular Instagram seller is selling genuine products or not, whether these products are authentic or not. So ये पता करने के लिए कि कोई seller authentic है या नहीं है, they डील इन जेन्युइन प्रोडक्ट्स और नॉट, आपको कुछ चीज़ें आपको ऑब्जर्व करनी पड़ेगी उनके इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे. सो आई टेल यू हाउ आई फिगर आउट वेदर एनी इंस्टाग्राम सेलर इज सेलिंग जेन्युइन प्रोडक्ट्स और नॉट. सो व्हाट आई डू, आई गो टू द इंस्टाग्राम पेज, I go through the highlights section there. So in highlights they generally post the stories of their clients, like whenever someone buy these products they share on their Instagram stories. So वो अब वो सारी stories को अपने highlight section में add कर देते हैं. तो you can go through the highlights and that way you'll know कि what all products they are selling and different people are buying those products. So उससे आपको थोड़ा सा ही confidence आ जाता है कि if someone is purchasing those products and you can actually see the actual picture of the product, तो उससे भी आपको idea लग जाता है whether that product is genuine or not. Second thing which I observe is like who all are following that Instagram page. So if I find some genuine blogger following that page and if I see some haul from that blogger, I'll know that ये जो इंस्टाग्राम सेलर है वो ऑथेंटिक प्रोडक्ट ही सेल करता है. सो इस तरह से आप उनका पेज देख के, उनकी स्टोरीज देख के, हाईलाइट सेक्शन देख के आप ये पता लगा सकते हैं दैट whether that product whether that Instagram seller is selling genuine products or not. And still if you are not sure, still if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can always ask invoice of the product. So if you are purchasing something from Instagram seller, you can always ask for bills, invoice, so they'll have to show you the actual original invoice. If any Instagram seller denies, if they say that they can't show you the receipts or bills and invoices, then you can have that doubt that that particular Instagram seller is actually not selling authentic product, because if they are dealing in authentic products they should not have any problem in showing you the invoice of that product. So you can always ask invoice. So whenever you're buying these products from Instagram stores, you can either purchase the products which they have in stock, so they generally maintain stock. तो आप वो प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज कर सकते हैं जो कि इन स्टॉक में. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग एंड इफ समवन हैज़ इन स्टॉक, you can purchase that product. But there is always one risk involved there. So they maintain stock, as I told you, so there can be a possibility that whatever stock they have is old. So which brings me to the next major thing you need to know, you need to keep in mind whenever you are buying something from Instagram sellers. Always ask them like when was that stock purchased, because जो international products रहते हैं ना उस पर expiry dates mention नहीं होती है. You will never find an expiry date mentioned on the international मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स. इंडिया में आपको जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं उस पर एक्सपायरी डेट मेंशन रहती है, बट दैट इज़ नॉट द केस विथ इंटरनेशनल मेकअप. यू विल नेवर सी एन एक्सपायरी डिटेल मेंशन ऑन द पैकेजिंग. तो जब भी आपको कोई प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा आप उसको देख के नहीं बता सकते वेदर दैट प्रोडक्ट इज एक्सपायर्ड और नॉट. जनरली जो इंटरनेशनल मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स रहते हैं उस पर टाइम मेंशन रहता है, लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट इज गुड टू यूज फॉर X months, like 12 months or 36 months after you open this product. So that's how they provide you the information about expiry of that product, but directly expiry details mentioned nahi rehti hai. So whenever you are buying some products which is in stock with some Instagram seller, there can be a possibility that that product is very old. So always ask them that when that product was purchased. You can again ask for invoice for that product. तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि किस टाइम पे वो प्रोडक्ट परचेज हुआ था, whether it's a very old product or not, if it's a old stock or not. And you can ask for pictures as well. So whenever you are confirming for some product, you can ask the Instagram seller to send you a proper picture and actual picture of the product. तो generally जब वो post करते हैं ना stories पे, they pick the pictures from Google or from the website. They don't always post the picture of the actual product. So before confirming your order, before paying to the seller, you can ask for the actual picture of the product. तो उस picture को देख के भी आपको idea लग सकता है whether that product is old or not. So these are the few things which you need to keep in your mind whenever you are buying something from Instagram sellers. Now if you don't want to take this risk of your product being old, what you can do is you can pre-order any makeup product. So whatever product you are looking for, whatever you want to purchase, you can pre-order that product. Mostly Instagram sellers actually take pre-orders as well. So if you are looking to buy some makeup product, some international makeup product, you can look for discount on that product. So whenever there is a sale on that brand, that time you can purchase that product and you can place a pre-order for any Instagram seller. So this way फर्स्ट थिंग आपको जो कॉस्ट पड़ेगी उस प्रोडक्ट की वो कम पड़ेगी बिकॉज यू विल बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट ऑन डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. तो अल्टीमेटली जो फाइनल कॉस्ट हो जाएगी प्रोडक्ट की वो कम हो जाएगी आपको. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट प्रोडक्ट विल बी न्यू बिकॉज दे आर बाइंग व्हेन यू आर ऑर्डरिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट, राइट. सो दैट स्टॉक विल बी न्यू, दैट प्रोडक्ट विल बी न्यू, so there won't be any risk of getting a old product and old stock. So it's always good to actually pre-order something, especially big products, like if you're buying some full size products or some eyeshadow palettes or these kind of things which are very expensive and you don't want to actually get old stock or a bad product, you can always pre-order और इस तरह से आप कुछ मनी भी सेव कर लेंगे उस प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर. बट whenever you are pre-ordering something, it takes time. As I already told you, this international shipping actually take time. It can easily take 1 month. So whenever you are pre-ordering something, you'll have to wait for that product. Like जो in stock product रहता है वो आपको 2 या 3 दिन में और 4-5 days में you'll get that product. But whenever you pre-order something, that product will take time to reach you. तो आपको थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा. But still I would say that pre-ordering something is always safe and cost effective as well. Now whenever you pre-order something, the seller will ask you to pay some percentage of the amount because they also want that security, right, that you will buy that product. Suppose you pre-order something and later if you don't buy that, that will be a loss for that Instagram seller. So they always ask you to pay some percentage of that amount, like either they can ask 30%, 50% or 70%, but some percentage of the total cost they'll ask you to pay. So there is a risk for you as well here, like you are paying for something which you actually don't we are not getting in like 5-6 days. You'll be waiting for 1 month or something, so there can be a little bit of risk here. So whenever you are pre-ordering something from Instagram seller, so always make the pre-order with sellers whom you actually trust because there will be a little bit of risk involved. But I would still recommend you guys to make pre-orders for makeup products which are expensive to get some good deals on those products. Now there is one more thing, a very major thing you need to know whenever you are buying something. So first thing is, whenever your Instagram seller जिनसे भी आपने purchase किया है, when they are shipping the product to you, ask them to click a picture and send it to you so that you can know कि आपका जो product है वो किस condition में है. And when you receive your parcel, make unboxing video of that parcel. Like while unboxing the product, make a video. Why? Because sometimes what happens, especially with eyeshadows and blushes, like these powder products, ये प्रोडक्ट्स ट्रांसिट के टाइम पे टूट सकते हैं. समटाइम्स प्रोडक्ट्स आर वेरी फ्रेजाइल सो दे कैन ब्रेक ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसिट. तो जब आप अनबॉक्सिंग के टाइम पे अगर आप उसका वीडियो बनाएंगे तो यू कैन एंड इफ समथिंग बैड हैपन्स टू योर प्रोडक्ट, you can share that unboxing video to the seller so that they can give you some kind of discounts or refund. So some Instagram sellers actually consider this thing. But if you don't make a unboxing video, अगर आपके पास प्रोडक्ट आ गया है और वो टूट गया है, and then if you are sharing that information to the Instagram seller, उनके पास वेरीफाई करने के लिए कोई वे नहीं रह जाता. Like you don't have any proof with you to show them that whatever product you got was actually already broken. तो आपको ये प्रूफ करने के लिए that whatever product you got was actually broken, you didn't break that product, you need to have that unboxing video. And with that video, seller can also confirm that actually you got a broken product. Because without this unboxing video आपके पास कोई proof नहीं रहेगा, and जो Instagram seller है they might not consider this thing because they also need proof, right? So always make unboxing video whenever you are receiving these kind of products. It will help you in case of any bad thing happen to your product. Now some people ask me, how do I actually buy these products from Instagram sellers? So the process is actually very simple. You can go to their page, you can message them with the products you want to purchase. You can ask for the price and all other things, and once they confirm the availability of that product, you can make the payment. You can ask the payment details from them, and you can just make the payment with any means like Google Pay, Paytm, or bank transfers. Like this way you can make the purchase, and once they get the payment, they'll give you confirmation and they'll ship the product. So it's very simple, like you buy anything from any proper website, the same way you purchase these products from Instagram sellers as well. And as I already told you, there are two ways. You can either purchase the in-stock products, or you can make the pre-orders with Instagram sellers. So yeah guys, that's all I had to share with you guys on this topic. I'll mention some of the Instagram stores in description box जिनसे मैं frequently अपने makeup products purchase करती हूँ. So you can go to their page and you can explore their page if you are interested. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future uploads. I tried my best to explain you each and everything. Still, if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, please mention in the comment box. I'll be very happy to help you. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.